Okay, welcome back, everyone. We're doing something a little different today.
A deep dive.
Yeah, a deep dive. We had this intriguing source material land on our desk, and, well, it just sparked so many thoughts. It's all about this idea of,
Becoming your best self.
yeah, becoming your best self. So we thought we'd spend some time
To unpack it.
unpacking it.
Yeah.
Because it's a phrase, I don't know about you, but it's one of those phrases, I hear it all the time, right? Like in ads, in self-help books.
Yeah.
But when you really stop and think about it, what does it actually mean?
I think that's what makes it so interesting. It's one of those things that at first glance seems really straightforward. Like, okay, be the best version of yourself.
Yeah.
But then the more you think about it, the more complex it becomes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Like, right off the bat, what does best even mean? Is there some universal definition of a best self? Or is it totally unique to each person?
I think the source is pointing towards the idea that it is personal. Best self isn't some cookie cutter ideal. It's about aligning with your values, your aspirations, who you deep down want to be.
So for those of you listening right now, I want you to think about that for a second. When you hear becoming your best self, what pops into your head?
What resonates with you?
Yeah. What are those qualities you feel drawn to cultivate, to develop within yourself?
And I think it's important to acknowledge that none of us are perfect, right?
Oh, definitely not.
This isn't about achieving some kind of flawless state. There's always going to be room for growth, for improvement. It's more about the striving, the journey of becoming more aligned with the person you want to be.
So how do we even begin that journey? Where do we start? It all feels kind of daunting sometimes, doesn't it?
It can be.
Yeah.
And the source actually touched on this. They talked about the importance of self-reflection
Oh, interesting.
as a starting point.
Okay.
Really taking the time to honestly assess your strengths and, yeah, even those weaknesses too.
Yeah.
And they even went as far as to mention journaling
Mm-hmm.
as a tool that can be really powerful. Spending just a few minutes each day writing down what you're grateful for, maybe acknowledging those areas where you want to grow, it can have a huge impact.
For the longest time, I was so resistant to journaling. I thought it was, I don't know, too touchy-feely or something. But once I actually gave it a try, I was amazed at how much clarity it brought me, how it helped me really define my goals.
Yeah, isn't it amazing how simply writing things down can have such a profound effect?
Yeah, it really is.
And once you've taken that step, that initial self-assessment, then it's about identifying concrete actions. What steps can you take to move towards that vision? Maybe it's reading a book on a specific topic, maybe it's learning a new skill, or maybe it's even just making a conscious effort to be more present in your daily interactions.
Right, so it's about taking those small, consistent actions, day after day, that start to build momentum, start to move you closer and closer to that vision of your best self. And it sounds like, from what you're saying, that vision can even change, right?
Absolutely. What we consider our best might evolve as we learn, as we grow. What seemed important a year ago might take on a whole new meaning today.
It's about embracing the journey, not obsessing over the destination.
Exactly. And I think that's what makes this whole concept of becoming your best self so exciting. It's not a static goal. It's a dynamic process. It's about continuously striving, continuously learning, and continuously evolving.
And that's a perfect place to leave it for today. But before we go, I want to leave all of you with one final thought. If becoming is an ongoing process, how might your understanding of your best self change over time? What new facets might you discover? It's something to consider as you continue on your own unique path.
Absolutely.
Okay. Until next time, everybody.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.